Stop recording.
Okay. We're going to take this off.
Yep.
Factory air intake.
Airbox, intake.
8mm.
To take these silver clamps off.
3 clamps. Looks like 3 or 4.
4 screws to take the top of the box
Screw off to take the box off. And then way down there, there's a little plastic clip holding there, and I think there's one underneath everything. To put an Amazon special cold air intake to see. And of course, there's no destructions to do all this, so once we get this out, we'll show you again. Okay. Okay. Little update. Had to take hose out of the way. And then when you get this open, there's a plastic clip there, plastic clip there. And I don't know. Come on, focus. And then the plastic clip down there to take the box off. But all opened up. We'll show you a bit more when we get going. Okay, had to do a little checking. The one plate will be hooked to that bolt. And then the second plate, you see a bolt there, a bolt there. It will be bolted there, and then 3 bolts to bolt it together. So not too bad of installation so far. Little clips. The GM clips are a little pain in the butt. They were back in here, here, and there's one up here. Oh, sorry, I was up there. One there, one there, one there. You more or less have to break them loose, or break them to get them off. We'll see you when we get a little bit more.
Before you cut off,
What?
the 3 bolts are all the same, and they are all a 10 mil.
10 mil bolt to take them off. Well, until we get the next part figured out, we'll get back to you. Because look at all the fun room. Okay, while doing it, we had to take this plate out. There was 2 clips
Held in by
then and there.
2 bolts that kind of look like this one.
2 more 10 mils to hold it in.
It's all 10 mils so far.
So it should be
Except for
fun.
the 8 for the clamps.
Okay. When we get a little more done,
We'll cut back to when we get more done.
we'll tell you. Okay. Then you gotta take the big tray out. I think I already got that one in the last clip.
Yeah, probably.
Then bolt here,
And
bolt here.
back a little. Yeah, tilted.
Oh,
There.
sorry. Then you got 3 screws that come with the kit. You could do this way, like
How we have it there.
I know, upside down. Sorry, but you understand what I'm saying. Like that, but they're really cheap.
So you gotta be careful with them.
I kind of wrecked the one a little bit, but it still worked. But when you put it in, it likes to lean. It leans way out here.
You gotta kind of bend it back.
Put them. Start with this one here, loosely.
And then this
You
one.
have to go to this one first, and then you got to have somebody
pushing the
in
plate
on the plate
while they screw that
to
one
start screwing this one in. Then tighten up here, 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 and it seemed to have
come out pretty decent.
came out pretty nice. It's not too bad. Doesn't look too bad so far. So, but like I said, loose first, second, third, tighten, tighten,
And then
tighten. Until the next clip. Well, we got her in. Took a little time. the problems we have is here, because of the mass is smaller than the pipe out here. You can probably see it in the picture. The little isolator rubber goes there.
Yep.
In that. Everything's really
Real
tight.
tight.
Like, I think I'm actually touching the end.
Yes, you are. You are actually touching the fender.
So I'm actually tighter down there underneath.
But all the room it's got underneath it.
But then you got here. Everything's like really tight. But
can't argue for the price point.
For the price point, you want something different. The only other problem we had
Is
this bracket is completely wrong, because there's what's supposed to be, and that's where it's gone. So I bent it back so it's not rubbing the hoses. This hose is leaning on top there, so it's gonna do good for me for now. Hope you guys enjoy. Then you know a little bit what you're getting into before you buy it. But for the price, I'd say not bad for the price. If you want to switch some things out, like filter down the line, some nuts, some of the clamps and that,
or even
they'd probably make it a lot better.
Or even deleting this map in general.
So enjoy. Until next time, have a good one. And now, it's not too bad. Little sucky.
You can hear. Okay, I got it ready. I got it ready on. I got it get ready to go.
I got a bunch of gears, so.
All right, and it's starting.
First little beef test.
Sounds nice.
Sounds a lot better.
Oh yeah, it does.